Draw a circle with a compass on styrofoam blocks. Cut them out. Polish the edges. Apply hot glue to the sides. Pascal, hello! Stay out of the way, okay? Bend cardboard walls. We made a beautiful city out of pieces. A roller helped with the wallpaper. The result is even better than we expected. The bottom is made out of two parts, water and soil. Outline a semicircle on metallic paper. Apply glue and cover the surface. We made waves out of pressed holographic plastic. It's so shiny. The second part will be covered with soil. Glittery foam paper will decorate the sides. Cut a circle out of brown foam paper. Put it in the center and install it on an axis. The rest of the surface is covered with artificial moss. I helped with the tinfoil. Great! Cut a cardboard tube in half. Put the piece inside a tube from paper towels. Bend it to the inner part. We made sharp branches out of wooden skewers. Secure the crown to the piece. Cut textured paper into wide strips. Decorate the sides with leaves and flower buds. Moss is starting to grow in some places. Two trees decorate the scene. Add gold sequins. Rapunzel, finish your drink. We'll need this cup for a tower. And we'll need a plastic bottle. Hello! Mark lines. Cut a cup in half. Do the same with a bottle. Apply hot glue and connect the details. We made a whole pile of bricks out of paper straws. It looks perfect! Here come the fingers. Paint the outer walls pastel pink. Use a sponge to create texture. Add holographic plastic to window pieces. The window is on. Roll light clay out like this. Cover the shutters with them. Make the floor and the walls of a tower out of cardboard. Draw lines. Snap. Make a spire out of them. The tower is ready. We just need to make openings for the door. Nice, it worked! Imitate bricks. This roller rolled out a pink trail for us. Cover wooden skewers with gold paint. Attach them to the tower. The door is also covered in gold. We made roof tiles out of purple metallic paper. Some magic and the roof is nice and shiny. Well, these skewers will come in handy. Install on top of the spire. Coffee stirrers are supporting the top layer. Moss covers the building. The tower is beautiful on the outside, but it's time to work on the inside. Cover the entrance with greenery. Fold textured paper. The piece turned into the cover for walls of the tower. The floor is covered with big sequins. They look like scales. Add sequin floorboards. The inside part of the tower is covered with pearly paper. Cover the attachment points with strips of glittery foam paper. Make a chandelier. Add beads, then sequins. Wow, a magic flower! What a beautiful chandelier! Put all the details together. Hang it at the top. Now we have light. Cut into small pieces like this. Now make openings. Whoa, this is a spiral staircase. Paint it pink. It's covered in moss too. The walls of the staircase are covered in yellow foam paper. There are stairs from the bottom to the top of the tower. This strange tower is hidden deep inside the forest. Coffee stirrers separated into pieces. Pascal came to help. Snap! We made a bright chair. Cover the frame in gold. Add a mirror. Crystal spirals are also covered with gold. Add a support made out of a skewer. Make an easel. There is a wooden canvas on the steady frame. Let's take a closer look. That's beautiful. The princess will be happy. Deep in the magic forest, there is an unusual tower. Rapunzel lives at the very top, almost as tall as the sky. Rapunzel let her hair down. Pascal, climb up, buddy. Oh, what a beautiful view. I love it. I need to take care of my hair. She loves daydreaming. She expresses her dreams in her paintings. Pascal, look at my new painting. Let's go look at the lanterns.